So we've talked about why winter is special, why we have winter, and a little bit about how humans behave in the winter. But what happens to our friends that we share Chicago with? How do they survive the winter? Well, first let's think about some of the species we talked about in the fall. We talked about birds like the piping plovers. We talked about animals like the squirrels and the bison and buffalo. And we talked about certain plant species like the sand dune grasses. I want you to think about these species and how they survive in the winter. What are some ideas that you have?